subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Hi friends, welcome again to my channel Why We Know. Today I will show you how to use multi apps at a time, like this one. I am using YouTube and my back screen is also working at the same time. So open Play Store and type floating apps. Link is in description. So open it. There are number of application you can use. Like camera, clock, calculator. You can even call or flashlight. You can also see systems information by using anything on the back. You can quickly access your app by sliding notification panel. Click the button beside close button to make its icon, so you can use the background freely. To use the apps, just click the icon. You can even use Google when your net is working. Click the three lines on the left to open its menu. You can also maximize and minimize the screen. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.